Now, how to disassemble your Parker Frontier for cleaning and maintenances. First, take off the cap, keep it aside. Unscrew the barrel from the pen. Pose the cap at the end of the barrel, keep it aside, you will need it later on. Now, as I've shown you in my review of this fountain pen, I am using this type of cartridge, but generally Parker fountain pens come with this Parker cartridge or this Parker converter, push-pull type converter. If your pen is installed with this converter, then it's okay. If your fountain pen is installed with this cartridge, then also okay. Just pull the cartridge out and keep it aside. If your fountain pen is using this converter, then all you just have to do is just hold the barrel and the plunger section between your index and thumb finger and just wiggle it around till it comes out. Don't exert too much force, just wiggle it around till it will come out of this. It will become two different parts like this. As you can see over here, there is a notch which keeps the plunger onto the barrel section of this converter. Now this metal ball, keep this aside, don't lose it, because this acts as an agitator for your converter. Now hold it under the clear tap water to clean out the barrel of the converter, and now put the agitator inside of the barrel. Now simply carefully put the plunger section also and just push it together and it will be clean. Now keep it aside. Now to disassemble the nib and the feed section, all you have to do is grip your nib and feed section with your index and thumb finger. Put the nib over here on your index finger and hold the feed with your thumb like this. Now twist the barrel, twist the grip section like this and it will come out. Now that you have disassembled the feed and the nib, wash it off under a clear tap water. There's no much trouble in that. Also you can clear the inside of the nib housing under the clear tap water. That's it, you're done. Now for assembling again the nib and the feed, over here, if I can show you properly, over here, this part and this part, over here there is a housing or a notch is there where the nib will slide and it will fit onto that notch and it won't go beyond that. Though this one is a different nib, so it will slide off towards the end of the feed. But if it was original Parker Frontier nib, then it will stop at this point only and it will be aligned. You don't have to look under a loop or something to align your fountain pen. It will be aligned automatically if the nib is placed on that notch. Now again hold the nib and feed in between your index and thumb finger like this. Put the grip section like this and slowly rotate it towards yourself, and there you go, your nib and feed is now installed in this fountain pen. Now whatever you're using a converter, Parker converter or cartridge, just put it inside your pen. As I'm using this cartridge, so I will be installing this cartridge. Now take off the cap from the barrel, screw the barrel onto the fountain pen, cap the fountain pen, and there you go. That is as simple as that for the disassembly of Parker Frontier. Hope this was useful and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.